Mayfair right now, and is this way, and you will see that it will be less crowded, I hope, and we're getting very close to the hidden coffee shop spot. I'll see you there. As you could see, I am very close to Grosvenor Square right now. It is, yeah, it's written kind of Grosvenor, but you shouldn't read the S. I think it's because it's Old English, it's closer to French, whatever it is, yeah. So you could see that it is summertime, it is sunny, absolutely gorgeous weather in London, but this pedestrian way, I know there's a bad traffic, I know, but this pedestrian way is absolutely amazing. So if you deep dive to Mayfair, you would see this calm, tranquil area, and it's just super nice to walk. It is the real London. I am saying this, it is the real London as well, because we will go to a really nice, another hidden coffee shop. It is very close to Hyde Park. It is way closer to Green Park as well, but it is not something that tourists would know. So I am super close right now. It's just in that area, and we are kind of the heart of the Mayfair. So I actually discovered this coffee shop by coincidence. I was going to a London's Fashion Week show in a hotel nearby, and I saw this beautiful coffee shop, and the cafe was beautiful too. I'll put down the name very soon, but here we go. As you could see, please check the lovely coffee shop out, and I'm gonna enter it soon. Why don't you tell me why I can't sleep at night? Why do I try? Why do I try? Why don't you tell me why I can't sleep at night? Another shop from here. So the coffee is absolutely lovely here, and also I got chocolate croissant before. Something got me all day, haunted by you, haunted by you. My coffee, so I can go out and enjoy the nice weather now. I just wanted to show you the outside seating area as well. Absolutely pretty here, absolutely pretty at Caillou. I think I might just sit here for a while actually. Stay tuned for more lovely London videos and more hidden spots, and I hope you enjoy the video. See you soon.